the correct active form of the given sentence, and the sentence is the thief was being arrested by the police. Okay, or was being means simple past, and simple past means V2 plus object. ठीक है, तो करेक्ट क्या होगा? And subject is the police. So the police, इसको हटाएंगे ना एक्टिव करने के लिए, y प्लस b को हटा दो, रिमूव y प्लस b, तो सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? द पुलिस अरेस्टेड द थिफ. राइट और रॉन्ग? करेक्ट. तो ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर. Second question. Select the correct active form of the given sentence. He was given a book for his birthday. He was given. He was given a book for his birthday. Object, subject क्या होगा? His book. Subject. ठीक है. Verb क्या है? Was given. So this is again simple past. And simple past means subject V2 plus object. अब बताइए कौन सा सही है? Which one is correct? अरुष बताओ.
He's given a book for his.
देखो Bill, this is wrong.
Yes, sir.
She gave wrong.
Yes, sir.
She has gave wrong.
The option correct.
She gave him a book for his
Birthday.
birthday. This is simple past. Next question. Select the correct indirect form of the given sentence. He said to me, "What are you doing?" So, rule number 1 said changing into asked. ठीक है. अब WH1 होने से do not use conjunction और जरूरत नहीं correct यूज करने की. इसे मार्क चेंज into was verb. Correct. इसे मार्क किसमें चेंज करेंगे? was verb में. So he, अब this is you is second person. Son by, याद करो आपने भी पढ़ा था son by 1 to 3. So second person change into object. Object क्या है? Me. Me का subject I. So he asked me what, you को I बनाएंगे, what I इसे बार was verb, what I was doing. कौन सा है देखो? He asked me what I was doing. Huh? Second is the right answer. Okay, next. Identify the relative pronoun used in the given sentence. What did you do? That I don't know. Relative pronoun that relate to noun pronoun or to sentence. क्या होगा बताइए? So this is sentence. What did you do? And I don't know. तो कंडीशन क्या हुआ? That. तो that क्या है? That, when, which, who, whom and whose, these are relative pronouns. तो right answer क्या है? C is the right answer. Next. He the bell out the stadium yesterday. अब yesterday means simple past. Yesterday means simple past. Simple past means subject V2 and object. Clear? तो V2 अब has, तो V2 है नहीं, हिटर होता ही नहीं, हिटेड भी कुछ नहीं होता, तो राइट आंसर इज हिट. हिट की तीनों फॉर्म क्या होगी? हिट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट. Which of the following verbs best fits the sentence given below? Either the executive or the assistant blank been here. Which one is the correct? बताइए. Has, have, are और was. कौन सा सही है? Guess करो. Has. ठीक है ना? जब भी आप दो नाउन प्रोनाउन को either और से जब हम जोड़ते हैं, तो ब्लैंक में हमेशा जो वर्ब आती है वो क्या आती है? सिंगुलर. दिस यही रूल है ना. तो राइट आंसर इज Next question is identify the kind of adverb used in the below sentence. Adverb means words that modify verb. अब बताइए आइडेंटिफाई द काइंड ऑफ एडवर्ब यूज्ड इन द बिलो सेंटेंस. और सेंटेंस क्या है? ही सेल्डम क्लीन्स हिज रूम. तो एडवर्ब क्या हुआ? सेल्डम. ठीक है. अब ये सेल्डम कैसा है? रिलेटिव. और एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी और एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस और एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. बताओ.
Adverb of frequency.
Adverb of frequency is the right answer. ओकरन he seldom cleans, कभी भी नहीं करता. तो frequency की बात है. So adverb of frequency. And the next question, the doctor gave me a prescription blank Michael for with at or to.
For.
For is the right answer. Nowadays Rekha studies blank the whole day. बताइए whole day के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? With or from or throughout or under?
Throughout.
Throughout the day. It means whole day, complete day. And next, to smell a rat. This is idiom. क्या है ये? Idiom है. To smell a rat means आपने इसका मीनिंग बताना है. To be suspicious or to chase a rat or to see a rat or to smell foul. Which one is correct?
To be suspicious.
First one is. So first one is correct answer. To smell a rat means doubtful. ठीक है. And the next one is to move heaven and earth. बोलते ना आकाश पाताल एक करना. To move heaven and earth. What it mean? बताइए इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? To cause an earthquake, to try everything possible, or to pray to all gods, or to travel in a rocket. So right answer is
B. To try everything possible.
try everything possible. Clear? And the next one is a bolt from the blue.
An unexpected event.
An unexpected event. Correct option is option A. Okay, option A is the yes, right answer. Next, people blank walk on grass. बताइए, people blank walk on the grass couldn't, needn't, mustn't or may not. घास का नहीं चलना है. This is order. क्या है ये? ऑर्डर लिखा हुआ है किसी गार्डन के बाहर. तो people mustn't walk on the grass. मतलब must necessity के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Must. Advise है तो should. Clear? Next one. Blank, you speak any foreign language. This is ability. You speak any foreign language. क्या है ये? Ability है. और ability के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? To express an ability. I can play football. I can speak foreign language. So right option is
Can.
option D. Can. Can you speak any foreign language? World War First and World War Second took place blank the 20th century in March in winter break. The right option is
In the 20th century.
in 20th century. Clear? In is the right option. Next, one who collects coins. जो coin collect करता है क्या होगा? One word बताइए. One who collects coins जो सिक्के इकट्ठे करता है उसके लिए one word क्या होगा? Collector और narcissist और calligrapher को समझ लोगे जिसका मतलब राइटिंग अच्छा होता है. तो यहाँ पर राइट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? Numismatics. D. Option D is the right option. Clear? And the next one is I wanted to go to the park. Blank my mother refused. हाँ बोलिए क्या होगा?
But my mother
But my
refused.
mother refused. And next question is change the active voice into the passive voice. I will clean the house every Saturday. The house by me every Saturday. Change करना है passive में.
Will be cleaned.
हाँ. तो will के साथ निकल है. Will क्या है? Modal है. Will is modal है कि नहीं? और अगर modals दिए हो तो हम लोग passive में क्या use करेंगे? Be plus method. तो will be clean. This must not happen again. Blank. You will be dismissed. Otherwise, you will be dismissed. Or is the right answer. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, blank A is equal to C. So blank में क्या होगा?
Then.
Then which then THA or E?
THE.
THA जो है ये हम लोग यूज करते हैं कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में. ठीक है ना? तो राइट आंसर इज
TH.
THEM. Okay, thank you.